Alright, good morning, people. It's currently November 13th, Thursday, and yeah. So we're currently in a 4-hour gap. 4-hour FVG. And yeah, 15 minutes telling us sells, 5 minutes telling us sells, 1 minute telling us sells, 1 hour still buys, 4 hour still buys. Alright, change in state. 1 minute change in state to the upside. Change in the state. No, not yet, actually. I feel like I'd be surprised. I feel like it's too soon to start buying again. This is where shit gets tricky. We're at an interesting spot because we still haven't fully filled the 4-hour gap. But we also filled more than 50% of the gap. I guess it can still hunt for liquidity that's within the gap, though. So, like, I have a reason to buy and a reason to sell. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Leg, bro. Okay. My spidey senses are telling me we could wait till 9. Might be a little sell here, though. If we inverse this gap. It's like, how deep do we go? Wait, what gap is here? I'm so... Waiting until we get a close. I can't get bamboozled. Okay, and it's lagging my entry. This whole thing just froze. I'm sorry, y'all. I might have to end this real quick. Okay, it's back. Oh my god, it's already disrespecting the inverse that just happened. God damn it, we can't sell, bro. We're actually buying up now. I thought we just changed state to sells, bro. Shit keeps flipping back up, bro. Oh my god. And we have a 5-minute bearish gap. Whatever. I took a valid trade, bro. This shit was tricky today, bro. Shit was tricky, bro. That's all I could say, bro. This starts buying, bro. This shit was ridiculously tricky today, bro. Everything is saying sells, bro. London lows at the most random spot. Super easy to grab. Low resistance liquidity. But it still decides to go up instead. Oh my god. Right in front of all of this, bro. I have nothing to say, bro. You got me. You got me fair and square, bro. This was ridiculously tricky, bro. Like, damn, bro. Yep, I'm about to get hit out. Oh my gosh. I guess I hopped in too late into the sell. Not really, because we haven't even completed, like I haven't seen it grab the draws I wanted to see. I want to see it grab the liquidity down here. Yeah, this gonna be one of those days where I just have to hop off, bro. Yeah. Bro, this is ridiculous. The sell stops so abruptly, bro. We didn't even take this low. I hopped in way too early. I guess yeah, I hopped in too early. Because the fact that it's selling and I'm still in red right now, I got in way too early, bro. My entry right now is where I would go break even if I sold from here. I should have just waited a little longer. Fuck, bro. I could have been risk free, bro. Yeah. I entered too early. I should have waited for it to get deeper in the gap, bro. Next time, bro. Next time. That's why we record these. This is what I should have taken. See the difference in the trade? Massive difference. Same target, just entering earlier. I mean, just entering later. It's crazy. Huge difference, bro. Because now if it reverses here, I'm losing money. Whereas if I was in this position, it reverses here, I would have went break even. Oh my god. Well, I guess I can put my stop loss. I could put my stop loss where I would have went break even. Which would have been like up here. Yeah. Note to self: be more patient with entries. Wait longer. Wait till you get the optimal entry, or don't trade. Pretty much. Pretty much. Alright. Where's our stop loss right now? Yeah, it's about here. Rolling in the deep. Plane. I just feel like we could drop one more time, bro. We have one more sell in us, bro. But 15 minutes, what are you saying? I'm not sure, bro. It's all up in the air. It's all up in the air. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart and soul. Oh my god. I'm so pissed off at my entry. My entry fucking sucked. How did I enter this low, bro? I guess I entered here because the inverse, yeah. It's because of this inverse. I'm like, oh, we inversed. I guess I'll enter there. But then it retraced all the way up here after inversing. Alright, though. I'm going BE now. Rolling in the deep. Okay. You had my heart inside, and you played it to the deep. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. Had my heart and soul, and you played it. Okay. I'm entering later next time. Once it gets into the gap, bro. Always wait till it gets into the gap. It barely touched it here. Rolling in the deep. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We got London low. Okay. Like, what would have been my risk to reward if I entered here? Say I entered on this. Exactly. Then I just placed it here. So we would have already been at 1 to 3, and I would have been outside. I would have been out of this trade, bro. So TP would have been smashed. I would have got a 1 to 3 if I entered up here. If I just waited. Whereas now, I entered down here, and we might not even get a 1 to 2. See the huge difference in entries? Huge difference in entries. I thought we were gonna just flip here, bro. I should have known, bro. 9 o'clock. Once we're not moving by 8:45, bro, I should know, bro. I should have just waited. I was thinking 9 o'clock, bro. And then what do you know? 9 o'clock is when it sells. Could have got a 1 to 3. I'm adding this to the journal. We can't repeat this mistake. Entering too soon. Entering too late in the move. Fastest way to get liquidated. Fastest way to get stopped out at BE. Entries are everything, bro. If the entry's not good, don't take the trade. I didn't think it was a bad entry, though. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this trade wasn't bad. I'd give the entry like a B minus. Maybe a C plus. Like, the logic behind it was there. Give it a C plus, B minus. Because it's accumulating so much that's like, bro, I'm either getting stopped out or it's extending the TB, bro. It's one or the other. Rolling in the deep. That wouldn't have even hit my old TP, bro. So it's still playing games. Oh my god. That wouldn't even hit 400. 400 is this orange line. The first orange line. Right in front of it, bro. Now we're trolling. Now we're trolling. Now we're trolling. Right in front of it? Now we're trolling. 20 out of 10 rage bait. 20 out of 10 rage bait. Now we're trolling. We're trolling, bro. We're trolling. We're trolling. Bro, this was my... We're trolling. We're trolling. We're trolling. No, we're trolling. I might just put my stop loss above these highs, bro. Because this is getting ridiculous, bro. I don't want to overtrail, bro. Whatever, I can't. I'll be breaking my rules. I have to stay at BE. I actually have to stay at BE. I have to stay at BE. You're trolling, bro. 100% trolling, bro. You're trolling me, bro. At this point, I'm just putting my shit back. This is too much for my heart, bro. My whole thing is, if it's doing all this, though, it's going to go lower, bro. Like, logically, not even getting emotional, bro. It's gonna hit the next low, too, bro. If you juggling in front of a low and you still going lower, you gonna hit the next low. No. 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 You're trolling, bro. You're trolling me. We haven't hit the low yet. How have we not hit the low? What? This shit is trolling me right now, bro. What? You're trolling. Now I'm thinking I marked this shit wrong, bro. Bro, the low's even lower, bro. It's actually down here. This shit has not even hit it. It is what it is. It is what it is, bro. I'm taking that. This shit was doing too much. I'll take 400 on the day. Whatever. Whatever, bro. Whatever. Execution needs to be worked on. We pretty much missed out on a 1 to 3 because we entered too soon into the trade. And look, it's gonna hit this. My heart just couldn't take it, bro. I'm just like, you know what? I could see this reversing in front of my TP. I'm not even gonna take the chance. But let's see. Let's see if it would have hit the $500 mark. So laggy. And let's see. Devious though. Devious 1 minute price action. This was the second TP I set. Let's see if it would have hit. Oh wow. I would have been screaming again. I'm like, no. Right in front of TP. There we go. TP smash. So we could have got the 500. It's fine though, whatever. We got our original TP. It is what it is. Can't complain. Even though I put my profit at $408. I don't know why it's saying $395 on the day. It should be $406. Because yeah, there's like a $2 commission fee, but bro, I don't know how it's $395, bro. They took $5 from me. They robbed me. They took money from me. Okay. Whatever, it is what it is. We got a green day. Gosh, bro. Oh my god. We still have to hit a 4K balance to get another 2K payout. That shit feels so far away, bro. Oh my goodness. Shit feels so far away. Why does it feel so far away? Oh my god. Why does it feel so far away? Why does it feel so distant? I've been backtesting the week too. Like, we missed out on so much money this week, bro. Monday, we missed out on $400 because the way I was trading and my psychology, terrible. Like, I was just trying to get my money back instead of playing the setup and letting it run. Bad psychology. And then yesterday, same thing. I was just trying to get my money back. Instead of letting it run to the 1 to 3, I'm supposed to let it run to. So this would have been $400. And yesterday would have been another $400. So it would have been $800 higher on the week, which would have put us at 3K balance. But we live, we learn. We live and we learn. And it's going for Asian low. Look at that. I should have just went for Asian low. Maybe I should have just went for the 1 to 3 still. Whatever, it is what it is, bro. We won. We're done. We'll be back tomorrow morning. We learned our lessons. Aiming for 1 to 3s next time. Getting better entries. And then calling it a day.